everyone, can you guess what is this? This is my toffee house. I have converted this bottle into my toffee house. So you can see this is my beautiful toffee house, or you can see say candy house, which can be used for keeping gems, mouth fresheners, toffees, candies, anything for our kids. So let's see how we have created it. Before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon for notifications. First of all, we will take molded. We will mix molded hardener in equal quantities. Now we will roll molded just like we do for chapatis. Now this is our bottle. We will just measure the dimensions because we will wrap around this bottle. So I'm just measuring how much molded will be required. So once this is done, I'll remove molded and I will use Fevicol all over the bottle to paste my molded base. So it is very important to first of all create a base in our bottle. So I have applied Fevicol and after that I will wrap the molded around the bottle. Next step is we will make it smooth. Just remove the extra molded from base. Press is hard so that it is smooth from all the sides. Now we will cut a shape for our door of the hut. So we will remove this much part. So our door is ready. Now we'll again take a little bit of molded and roll. Rolled into a thin knob and we will stick. So here we will create our window. Next is we will draw a design of brick shapes on this hut. So for this we will cut like this small rectangles all over the bottle. So this we will do all over the bottle except the door. Next is now we will make our hut ready, the upper part of the hut. So for this again we will roll our molded into a thin chapati shape and we will just measure the shape size using our cap of the bottle. So it should cover the bottle cap. Also we are creating a falling look, so it should be little bigger in size than the cap. So we will just make design like this, somewhat like mushroom shape. So this is very good idea to reuse any old bottle available at home. It can be any glass bottle which like the color bottles. So it is a best way to have a good use of waste product. Next is we will draw lines to give a shape of hut top. So our hut is almost ready. Create the lines all over the top. So this texture is good for showing that it is a hut. Next, again we will take a little amount of molding and we will create a chimney for her. And also this is for branch of a tree. Rolling around the hut. All these things are done just to decorate our hut. So it is your creativity how you can decorate it. You can use this branches, you can create beautiful flower, you can also create a girl. We will also, now we have created the chimney. Apply a little bit of Fevicol and just stick it on the top of the hut. We will again take a little bit of molding and wrap into a thin branch like of a tree, and then we will wrap this molded all over the hut. You can see. Don't forget to apply Fevicol, otherwise it will come out. So I'm just applying the Fevicol. For window. So our window is ready. Again we are creating this for a branch all over the hut. Again we will start applying the Fevicol on top of the hut. You can give any zigzag movement for creating the branch look. So, just covering the walls of the hut. Next step is we will create flower and leaves. Small ball of molded, just take a small chapati shape, cut into 4 parts like this. roll the leaves, give shape to the petals. Paste a small bindi type ball at the center, and you can stick this flower on the branch of the tree. Next step we will create tiny leaves. You can see here, so you can paste on the branch. Similarly, we will create few more flowers and leaves, and we will paste around the tree. See, it is ready. Let's have a closer look at our hut. Now we will paint the hut with the orange color. We will paint the bricks. So you can use acrylic colors. Now we will paint the branch of the tree with the brown color. once we have painted the branch of tree and the chimney with brown, we will paint leaves with green color. So all the tiny leaves around the hut will be painted with green color. You have to be little careful in this because the leaves are very small. So our leaves are ready. Next is we will use red acrylic color to paint our flowers. So we will paint all our flowers with the red acrylic color. Once flowers are done, we will paint the roof of the hut with the purple color. After painting, we will just create small dots with yellow color. So it is not compulsory, you can decorate by the way you want to do it. So it is just your creativity. So I just wanted to give a feel of mushroom, so I have giving the dots of yellow color on this roof. Next step is we will color the door and the windows with the purple color just to give a matching look. You can also use brown or black for this. So our toffee house or the candy house is ready. This can also be used for gifting purpose. If you are gifting toffees or candies to a small kid, instead of giving them directly in a packet, we can just use this and give them as a gift. For any queries, for any material, if you want, you can just share your comments. I will definitely answer them. Thank you. Keep watching and do like and subscribe Wow Activities for such wonderful videos. Keep learning.